Ang pingi dyan na, kaya kay ice cream. Very good. You want another airplane? Okay, I will make airplane for Kael. You want a bigger airplane? Okay, but do not break, ha? Dada will make you bigger airplane.
Kasunod ng malalakas na ulan, nagpakawala ng tubig ang bukid dam. Maaaring makapekto ito sa mga lugar sa mga para sa GMA Integrated News, best na katutok,
Yes, I will make airplane for you. For Kael airplane. Landing, landing. Yes.
What is that, Kael?
Making airplane, Mama.
Wow, that's a nice airplane.
Yeah.
Oops, oops, oops. Be careful not to crash. Get crash.
Later, I will complete the airplane. I will give this to Kael. Where's the airplane? Ay, di na i-break kayo. At yung ice cream pa na. Can I have that, Kael? So I will make a bigger airplane. Okay, I will make a bigger airplane for Kael.